Dave, our first alert weather days continue.
They do indeed, yes. We got a little lull in the action going on right now, but the wind will be back tomorrow. So let's dive right into it. We have a first alert weather day already planned for you. And actually, as we look at this, it is a double weekend of first alert weather days. Saturday, high fire danger with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Below freezing wind chill coming at us on Sunday, and snow along with that. And next week, a record-breaking heat wave will be coming in for several days. Look at that. Woohoo! It's been a long time since there hasn't been much wind in downtown Denver. Still going on Berthoud Pass at 59. And then tomorrow, all of eastern Colorado into the San Luis Valley and popping up into Buena Vista and Leadville has a red flag warning for high fire danger 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. at the base of the foothills. 40 to 60 mile per hour winds east of I-25, 30 to 40 mile per hour, and 7 to 14% relative humidity. And that lasts till 9 o'clock during the evening. Then after that, winter comes back. We've got some heavy snow for some folks and a whole lot of wind and cold coming your way. I'll show you what I mean coming up in your first alert forecast.
All right, Dave, thank you. We'll look forward to that. We will check in again with you in just a few minutes. Xcel Energy says public safety power shutoffs are likely in parts of Boulder and Jefferson counties starting at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The company is planning the potential shutoffs in these neighborhoods outlined on its outage map. You can find this map on our website, cbscolorado.com. 18,000 customers could be impacted. Your reporter Michael Abeyta joins us live from Golden tonight. And Michael, the community there is preparing to be without power.
Yeah, that's right, Michael. You know, here and in Boulder County, it could be lights out starting tomorrow, Saturday that is, at 2 p.m. And that means businesses are probably going to take a hit.
We serve kava, kratom, and kana, known as alcohol alternatives.
The Root Kava Company is the quintessential Boulder hangout spot.
It gives people a place to study and hang out with their friends or meet new people.
They had plans for this weekend, a Super Smash Brothers tournament, and lots of chill vibes. But all of that will be put on the back burner for now because starting at 2 p.m. on Saturday, they likely won't have any power. Xcel is discharging the lines in large parts of Boulder and Jefferson counties because of strong winds. Dakota Williams, the GM of the Root, says he was unaware.
First I heard about it, yeah. I feel like last year when they did it, there was a lot more widespread known for people, but this one's kind of out of the blue.
But businesses aren't the only thing closing Saturday.
A couple of things that the city and the county are doing are closing open space for visitors. This is specifically for fire prevention as well as visitor safety.
The city and county say they worry about trees and debris falling on hikers. One hiker and longtime resident says it's an unusual plan, but smart.
Well, I think it's probably a good idea. It's the first time I've ever known that to happen since I've been here.
But at the Root, the mood was more somber as they now have to make plans to close early.
With the power shutting down, we'll have to shut the business down, and that's just what it's got to be. You know, there's not much we can do if we can't have lights on and check people out with our POS.
Now, Xcel says they don't exactly know when power will be restored. So the city of Boulder and Boulder County say make sure that you are prepared. Charge up all your devices and those electric cars. Fuel up your gasoline combustion engine cars and make sure you have a place to go in case of an emergency. In Jefferson County, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.
All right, Michael, thank you. And of course, you can visit our website or check out our app all weekend for weather updates in your neighborhood. You can check out the weather maps, live radar, and cameras all across the state.